Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kawai na ki school kabala pau bha hakathan Rbphss Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. Mantakas ni kalayo ban Pynhap Pyrda no ya kalumpung ya lekai jong ki khana school kaba shisin shisnam ya kabala tip kum ka inter house athletic sports meet araja Rbphss kabala long hakamadan NSCA paham seim. Ya kani kalumpung ya lekai ban Iron Sun ya ki khana school makin pen iya laki sap ki phong. Hakikam ya lekai Rbphss nalor ka jing pule ka jongki lasdang na do ka khat ar tarik menta ubna ya yong bat la phya haki ying lani kita ki house ki bala jar kerteng ling ba ki rong Rbphss ka district school education officer jong ka Rbphss district ka kong paidolin ling do nonglan kalawan ban shim ya ka benta kum ka kongsan hakani ka sngi Pynhap Pyrda haka jing don ringkat lang u babu W Lahduh principal jong ka school u Reverend BB Markhap executive secretary ka Rbphss synod u Reverend DR Suting Secretary ke Managing Committee jong ke school lembat kiwe de nalor kinong hikai bat ki khana school. Kumban syukdo hang ni hakini ki saus ngi lenter ke school kala yo ban pendap ye ke jinya khun Rbphss ki bakan thup na do ke javelin throw, ke shot put, discus throw, high jump, long jump, ke jinya kop mare haki jingjengai ba shispa meter, arspa meter, sauspa meter, baru ke jingjengai ke balai hajar meter. Nalor ke relay race, ke medley relay race but kiwe de.
Now, ma'am, DSEO will dehoil the school flag at the end of the sports. Thank you so much, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Rbphss Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. The is the beginning of wisdom. Thy motto is calling to each and every one. The clarion is sounding. The and he scored 20 points. Silman Damlong. And Babikson Madhur. Alex House back the gold medal. And the silver medal goes to
Get ready. Dah. Dah.
These are the gold medalists. They won the medley relay race. Badab Kemling Do Mangai. Nathaniel Sinkley. And teachers for the Blue House.
Make you active, and also through sports it creates an opportunity to make each and every student who participate in any sports to face any challenges in your life. And when you face any challenges, you also determine to achieve different goals. And through sports, it empowers the students to develop human values, innovative thinking, creative mind, which ensure through sports or through participation, whether lose or win, keep it in mind. It will bring such skills or innovative and collective skills for you, the students, to face the life in the future. And my dear students, through sports, the students of today, and you will be the brighter citizens of tomorrow. So sports is very important, both physical, mental, and also spiritual. So keep it in mind that don't bother whether you finish at the bottom, but you are the winner through participation. So my dear students, not only in the sports like today, but keep it in mind, football and any other sports will help you to build your body, mind and spiritual. So I thank you, students. I do encourage all of you to take part in sports and do away sitting around somewhere in the corner of the street, the corner of your village, but come forward and play and sleep peace at night. So thank you.
To support your own team. It reminds me of my school days when I'm in Shillong and I used to participate in sports, and I used to shout a lot during this moment to support and to cheer up my fellow team. It's really a time of joy, a time of happiness, and during this time I think most of us we forget our the burden of our studies full in sports mood. At this time, I would like to congratulate all the winners and all the participants. Whether you have won a medal or not, you are all the winners. In the long run, your active and continued participation in sports and athletes will pay you a rich dividends in terms of fitness, well-being, and happiness. Sport events like this give a chance not only for bonding and recognizing winners within the school, but it gives a chance to showcase the collective talents of our students. A winner exists because someone dares to stand up and to lose. Sports teach us how to walk in harmony with other people, accept defeats with equal ease, and work as a team. Sport competition fills us with enthusiasm, which is a vital change from the cycle of academic routines. It inspires the participants and spectators as well. They build a physical stamina and teach us to take victories and defeat as a part of life.